Hello and welcome to day 2 of the 1K MRR challenge. In this video, I wanted to discuss the specific strategy which I am planning to employ, and I think it's going to be a short video. So basically, the idea comes from that to get to 1K MRR, I will need 200 subscribers. On the $5 monthly plan, 5 times 200 is 1,000. Now I am actually using two plans. Annual plan, which is $30 per year, paid up front, and I do think that's better in terms of fast growth, since I can just reinvest that into the next month. But let's just, for simplicity's sake, go with a 200. I realize that for the user to convert to paid, they have to go through a few steps. First, well, just before they would be using the free trial, before that they would have to download the app, and then go to the app page, and then, well, what we can control, more or less, is the number of views on the post. Say TikTok, Facebook, Reddit, whatever, YouTube, Shorts. So that right there is the lever. And we reverse engineer the numbers. Basically, the 200 subs. These are rough numbers from my version 1 of the app. So version 2, the numbers could be better, probably. Some of them might be a bit off, but you know, more or less, I think they're quite accurate. The post to app page conversion that's pretty unclear. Also, I think it depends a lot on the copy material, but we'll just go with between 1% to 0.1%. But that converts to 14K views or 140K views in a month. Divide that by 30, that's 500 views per day, or 5,000 views per day. And now we have something pretty concrete we can work with. So, yeah, that's kind of my strategy right now. And as you can see on the screen, actually, these were the numbers. And they actually more or less added up to 3,000 views, which was the number I was actually going for. Divide, average out 500 and 5,000, that's 3,000. So, but the more the better. And then from the total views, we have the downloads, trials, total subs. And yeah, well, the website also has like 11 subs, so 25 subs. We're 10% there, probably like 12-15%. But yeah, doing quite well. Now, do I want to share a little bit? Sure, why not? So MBTI Oracle is the name of the app, and I'm trying to test a new feature. So in the beginning, I started with like this MBTI as like something like a Netflix character or night. This one capped at maybe like a few hundred views. And then I started experimenting with like celebrity interviews, what MBTI is a celebrity. This one is actually doing quite well. But I stopped because I realized that the content to app page view conversion was actually 0.1%. So 10,000 views converted to 10 app page views, which is pretty terrible. I would at least need like 100,000 views. A million views would be really good, but yeah, so that's why I kind of stopped on it. And then I kind of resumed yesterday. This is a new format which I'm experimenting with.
You're chronically online, emotionally chaotic, and full of to o'clock AM ideas. Yeah, same. Let's test this app. It's called MBTI Oracle. It says it can guess your personality type just from just one sentence. First, it asks a few quick questions how you see things.
So that was actually made by my associate. She's helping me with the marketing. I was like very, very busy with the app development before, so I kind of outsourced the marketing aspect. But yeah, I think that's also another important thing. It's not bad to outsource sometimes, even if you're giving away like a significant amount of revenue. I think you gotta keep the big picture in mind, scalability and whatnot. But yeah, here we have a lever which we can more or less control, and then from that, we can actually control how much MRR I would get, and reverse engineer that. I still need like 2,000 downloads, which is like 70 downloads per day. Quite far from that, so I might have to adjust the numbers there. But yeah, the numbers might change, but the idea is there. It's an actionable strategy, and yeah, it's just a numbers game. And influencer marketing, creator marketing is an angle I might want to explore. I could reach out to other content creators in the niche, and we could work out a deal like pay $1 for 1,000 views, something like that. Yeah, I think that could work. Well, we'll have to see. All right, so we're on day 40-ish right now, and hopefully I'll be at 1,000 MRR by day 70. So we'll see. Yeah, this one is still updating, catching up. It should go up to 70. But yeah, honestly, it's. I think it's totally within reach, and also because I'm doing both annual plan, I'm not sure how to calculate that, because monthly revenue and monthly recurring revenue are different things. Annual revenue of $30, that would actually be an MRR of $2.5. So I'll have to figure that out, but the important thing is that I'm on track, and yeah, I'm excited to make this happen.